only BioHLB, separation of the shipbuilding business division. After the market closed, a disclosure and news were released after 6 p.m. Following the inclusion in the Kostak pharmaceutical and bio industry, HLB finally fulfilled its promise to its shareholders to separate its shipbuilding business division and focus solely on the bio industry. HLB, which aims to become a complete bio company, has recently received its first single-country approval for primary liver cancer in 13 countries in the first phase of a clinical trial in China. HLB Life Science, which holds the Korean patent, has applied for a product license in Korea based on the results of a Phase 2 clinical trial for cholangiocarcinoma conducted in Korea and the United States. To sum up what we have been waiting for and what Chairman Jin promised 4 years ago. 1. To acquire the global rights to rivastigmine. 2. To generate operating profit. 3. To include HLB in the pharmaceutical and bio industry and separate the shipbuilding business division. 4. To obtain global approval for new drugs. Numbers 1 and 2 were addressed through a strategic merger and acquisition strategy, and number 3 was finally realized today. If the shipbuilding business division is separated, it will be a huge benefit to shareholders who are currently watching rivastigmine. HLB Pharmaceuticals is currently in discussions with the US FDA NDA CMC Canada Patheon about the transfer of rivastigmine production technology. HLB Life Science has announced that the review of the primary liver cancer product license by the Korean Ministry of Food and Drug Safety has begun. These are not things that disappear, such as primary liver cancer and cholangiocarcinoma US FDA NDA. Just because you don't see it during the day doesn't mean it doesn't exist. When the time comes, you will see what the world has to offer. Number 4 is not something that is not visible, but rather something that cannot be seen yet. Some critics may try to attach this to the criticism of the Kakao spin-off, but this spin-off is a case where the existing shareholders' interests are affected by separating the profitable business into a separate company. So, it should be viewed in the opposite way. Regarding number 4, it has been confirmed that HLB will conduct a combination of rivastigmine as a primary liver cancer treatment with rivastigmine, and for either stomach or colon cancer, HLB will conduct a rivastigmine-only US FDA NDA based on the changed circumstances. Some may think it's slow, and some may think it's a grand vision, but the fact is that we are taking one step at a time.